No, hold down now.
Let's go. Ready?
Small one.
Can shoot to a can shoot to a time no deal.
Prepare for 1 scene for 1 hour.
I don't think so.
For now, you can sit now, but you can stand up. Because that check, they go inside set. Ready?
As everybody never bend down.
Okay. Okay. If it's quiet.
Hey, busy man, shut on.
Go buy padlock.
Run. Run. 51. 51. 51.
No, leave out. They use on. Not to show yourself.
Silence. Easy. See 51. Master me take one.
I go for your hands. I want to be shy, but.
Uncle V, play around. Play around. Play around. Let's go now.
I'm ready.
Action. Don't see the food. Throw that hand.
Are you not finished?
I got my own. Ooh, yeah. That's how we do it in Bahamas.
Honeymoon food.
Yeah.
I hope you love the soup.
Sweet.
You don't like this one, right?
I do.
So, Chief, you go feed her. Just they listen to me.
Okay.
Yeah. Come.
If you see any more fe. More fe.
One and one.
No tissue no shot.
Serving as fufu.
No tissue no.
Still rolling.
Quiet now.
No shot on every direction. Nobody stop.
Stay. Check for you.
You don't fuck up.
Once they wait for
You
you.
go feed her. Evan, you go take the yam. Feed her. No juice here. You know when you take the yam, feed
Take
her.
the yam, feed them.
Let's go. Roll it.
Dinya.
Yam, dig. Let's go.
Roll it.
Still rolling.
Action.
Oh.
I love
That's how we do it in Bahamas.
I love you.
I love you too.
She's coming now. Show some love.
Oh, give me a pep. I love you.
Take it again, Maggie. Come on again. Maggie, see where you go past. See where. I'm not seeing all this side.
Why you can't do it? They point like this.
I just say this is disgusting. I'm seeing that table where Chief day. See like this. Hey, now you go stand.
No chair no stand by.
That's the thing.
Men are not like
You go do like say one go. You know green go. You come from. But that love really make you vex.
Chief Imo.
Stand. Let's go again.
Chief.
On action, she's coming now. If you come in now, you form the love. She go stand for our front. Roll it. Action.
I love this. This is how we do it in Bahama. Give me another peck here. Let me give to you. Eat. I love myself. What are you doing?
People to take this action for me now.
Hey.
You won't start again.
Still rolling.
They together.
Yeah, you know they together.
Hey!
Still rolling.
Maggie, off me.
People will do your work.
Yes, sir. Chief, any of your hand they free.
This one.
As you want to take that this
Because
thing,
you
hold
didn't
that
feel-
hand. You go do like that till life still out.
You don't fuck up.
Then she'll come break free carry the soup pour.
No go down fuck up.
Let's go.
Rolling.
Maggie, step in again for me.
I know cuts. Let's go. I want fight.
Chief, as you dodge, you use that your stick. Kewa, you and her.
Bro,
So that you understand something. Then she go and move the hand to the plate. Now your right hand you go use to pull out. No, that one dey for stick already. Except you go
Cut.
drop the stick and hold am.
Cut, please.
Hold am. Let's go, Maggie, come on.
Idea.
We're picking up from Maggie's entrance.
Roll it.
Pick up.
Action.
What do you want to do?
What I want to give?
Wait, come on! You don't try that nonsense here. Are you all right? Are you okay? How dare you? Do you want me to hit you?
You think you can use my brain? Eh? So when it comes to chiefimocomedylatest, you people will remember white man's rule. White man's rule. You cannot use my brain, oh. You cannot use my brain.
Come on, don't try that nonsense. Don't try that nonsense. This is my new wife. This is the woman, the queen of Bahama. She is the woman of my heart. You dare not touch my food. I told you, you are a wife to my father, my father's brother, and my mother. You are not my wife, so you dare not trespass.
I am the first wife. I am the first wife. Before you do anything in this house, you must first consult me. Yes, you consult me. When I say yes, you move. First wife indeed. Keep quiet. No compromise. First wife indeed. Honey. Whatever. Daddy, please, can we continue with this funny thing?
Oh my God. Oh my God. You eat first. That's how we do it in Bahama. You eat. Hey! What did you do? Bring that soup here. Bring that soup here. Bring that soup.
Bucket.
What's up?